Everybody from my channel. Now I am going to discuss how to create a Gmail account without phone number, without verification. So if you new, please subscribe my channel. Stay with me. At first I am going to my mobile phone. Then I will find a apps Gmail. Then I press there. After some time you will be get a Gmail icon and then press here and scrolling below. Then you first add option, press the Google and you will be get another interface, your phone pattern number, after some time you will get another interface. Here is the create option, press the create and you will see another text for my use. At first you will be get first name. My first name is Naim Khan. Now press there. You will be get interior birth and gender. My birthday. Select gender, male. Next, you will be see your create a Gmail address for signing to your Google account. Naim Khan 56 T12 @gmail.com. At first you must be select a strong password. Press. You will see add your phone number to account and skip. If you want to add your phone number, please put there. So I am going to skip my add number, skip here option. Next, privacy and terms and condition. I accept all privacy and terms and condition and agree. After some time you will be get another interface. Then your Gmail ready for then your Gmail are ready for use. Thank you for watching my video number today. Please subscribe my channel. Stay with me.